Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is going to be on a leave-in conditioner, and you're going to see me apply this leave-in conditioner and my thoughts on the results. Today I'm going to be using the Originals Africa's Best Coconut Cream Leave-in Conditioner, and as I said, you're going to see the application and also my thoughts. But before we get into this, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. I'll start off by saying if your hair doesn't like coconut, then you're not gonna like this, because this contains 100% coconut milk, avocado, grapeseed, as well as argan oil, and it promises to instantly moisturize and recover your hair, and it's also a treatment for dry, brittle hair. This leave-in is very, very thick. I really like the consistency of it. When your hands are wet, the bottle can be very difficult to kind of squeeze that product out, but the application was fairly easy. I could detangle with this as well. The smell wasn't the best for me, but the application was really nice. For directions, it tells us on clean damp hair, pour a quarter-size amount of Originals Coconut Cream Leave-in Conditioner into your hand and rub it into the palm of your hands and then distribute it. It also says you can use your fingers or you can use a comb, and it says to optimize your hair care regimen, trim your ends every 6 to 8 weeks and keep hair clean with Originals by Africa's Best Coconut Cream Sulphate Free Shampoo. I liked the application of this. When it came to results, it kept my hair moisturized throughout the week. It kept my hair soft. It played well with other stylists. I mean, if your hair likes coconut or coconut milk, I think you're gonna like it. I think this is a bit small in terms of size, but overall I was kind of impressed with this leave-in conditioner. If you're looking for a leave-in conditioner and you see this on the shelf, try it out. I do have the leave-in conditioner in my hair at the moment, and my hair is soft. As I said, it plays well with other stylists. I've used it before, keeps my hair moisturized throughout the week. It's not a bad leave-in conditioner at all. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video of me using the Originals Coconut Cream Leave-in Conditioner. I'm sure you've seen it on the shelves. Now you've seen a video and you've heard my thoughts on it. Thanks for joining me. Drop your comments down below and I'll see you again in another video. Take care.